What's up, America? So, right now I am testing out an American fire alarm system. So, this is the panel that they have. It's called a Fire Shield, and it's made by Edwards Signaling. I don't know much about it, but I know that it's a fire alarm panel and it controls all this stuff. So right here we got an American alarm. I heard this is called a Gentex SHG, I think. Yeah. In Australia we don't have these. We mainly just have sounders, of course. And then we have smoke detectors. Not much to say there. Strobe on a fancy dancy back box looking thing. And then these are called pulse stations from what I heard, and definitely much different than the call points in Australia, you know? This is called a Honeywell S4648. Yeah, that's just reading off this list over here. And this is called a FCI MS2. Yep. This is a T-bar thing made by Simplex. And finally, fire alarm by Firelight. Pole thingy. And not really much to say there. So, we'll test out the fire alarm system, but first of all, I gotta put on some hair and stuff so I don't damage my eardrums, you know? 'Cause that'd be awful. Be very awful. So, alright. We're all good now, so I'm gonna pull this T-bar. And you go like this. And now the fancy strings go on. Now it beeps. Now I can silence the thing. That's what they said to do. Now it goes in a very, very, very loud pattern. Very loud pattern. Let's do this thing. I think he just... Oh, oops. Oh. Okay. And then there's that signal, silence, and drill. So if you were to press it again, yeah. Go back into drill. And I think I'll do this one. There we go. And what the heck, I pulled all of them. So this one you go like... No. I think like, let's see. Ah. This thing is very loud. But the ones in Australia are maybe a little louder. I think beeps a lot. I don't know why. I've been told about that. But so I'll do one smoke. And I was told you just put a magnet there. And it does it. Wow. Oh. Odd. But okay. So, to reset these things, let's see. I think you go like, oh, wow. Look. And then you flip that up. Okay. And, no. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see. It's gotta be one of these keys that go into this lock thing. Try this one. Oh, no. This one? Ah, there we go. Oh, now it goes up and then push. Oh, flip. Usually you don't get this, you don't see that in the chat, so. T-bar thing. Let me try this key. Let's see. It's in. Oh, no? Okay. This one? Oh, there you go. And it looks like it turns this way. Oh, okay. Lever thing goes up, like that, okay. And there's a button, okay. Push it in. What did I do? Oh, okay. Okay. And for this thing, actually tells you what to do right there. Turn key clockwise, close pull station fin. Okay. And you see it's from New York. No New York here. There's no such place called New York in Australia, so definitely an American along. Which I know. Oh, wrong key. This one. Let's see. Oops, dropped my keys again. Or they're not my keys. I got them from the place. And turn and then close. Oh. Uh-oh. This is kind of loose. Oh well. I think we're all good. Not sure what's up with that, but okay. Now I'm gonna hit this. Oops. This button called reset. And then these lights go colorful. And probably the fire inspector is not going to be happy with me for hitting, I don't know. Just wait. Just wait. Elevator music. Anything else? No, I think that's it. Okay. Yeah. So, I think that's about it for the test of this American fire alarm system. Something that's not here in Australia for sure, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I don't know what else to say. I like the flashy strobes, and like the pole, so. And maybe I'll do one more drill. Maybe I will. Maybe not. I just took out my hearing protection and it kind of hit, so. I think that's it. Thank you. Thank you. Bye! Alright, so if you haven't figured it out already, well, you probably did because the title says April Fool's Special. Yep, I did another one because I felt like, why not? So, I didn't mean to offend anybody by me imitating an Australian accent. I kind of just got the idea of pretending that I was some Australian person who didn't know what an American fire alarm system looks like. Something like that. Just came to my idea. And if you hadn't figured it out already, nothing's changed. These are all the same pole stations from the last system test, and I just moved the SHG, which was here, up to here. So, and there's not really much else, nothing else to say other than Happy April Fools, and see you in the next video. And no, that's not a joke. Goodbye.